Hey, what's up? I'm going to give you my opinion on this Keurig K-Supreme K-Cup single coffee maker. So first of all, as it says in the name, it makes 1 cup at a time, which I really like. That works really well for our family because we all wake up at different times. And so if we make 1 big pot, and it's not going to be fresh for the next person. So just like any of the Keurigs, you pop open this thing, the hinge system is really nice and secure and sturdy. It's going to light up all of your options. You've got strength and temp options, which is really awesome. You can make it stronger or less strong. Over ice is awesome for iced beverages because it makes it a nice, strong, small amount of coffee so that when you put the ice in, it doesn't water it down too much. You can do different options here for the different people in your house. We don't do that just because it's so easy to just push the button. I'll be like 12 ounce strength, a couple, up, and then you push here to start it. So the watering thing over here, this is one of the best things about this particular Keurig. I've had Keurigs in the past where it's really, really difficult to get the water thing off and it's a little cumbersome and not easy to go fill up. But this is super easy to put back on, to get off, to fill up. We use fridge water just for a little filtered, to begin with. And then there's a filter down there to further filter the water as it goes through the coffee pot. So this thing's pretty incredible. It's fast, it's efficient, it does its job, makes good coffee. I highly recommend this particular model because it's slender, it's sleek, it looks nice, it does not take up a lot of real estate on the counter. And like I said, that water container is so easy to function and take off and fill up that it makes it worth every penny of this thing. So highly recommend.